Hello everyone, Metastash here with a new video today. Um, as we all know, we experienced a market crash uh, and it is horrible. You can see we are bleeding now. Bitcoin is 42,000, almost 43,000. You can see Ether dropped in value, everything just dropping in value. And probably you're thinking what happened, like why it is happening, is it like bear market? So in this video I will cover what probably happened, why we have this situation, and yeah, I will give my thoughts on that. So the biggest thing what happened is there is like crisis in Kazakhstan. The people are protesting against the government. They are basically, yeah, it's horrible, like what's happening there. And that situation led to internet shutdown, and this affected Bitcoin mining. And like Bitcoin is top currency, it affects all other currencies. Like if Bitcoin is crashing, everything is crashing in the market. So I won't read, like the article, you can find it, but basically just quick overview. Um, yeah, there was bad news that affects Bitcoin, specifically Bitcoin mining. Um, yeah, and the thing is, like you can think, for example, it affects Bitcoin, like in mining, why it should crash, like 9%, 12%, like, and it would take all market with it. And I will cover other things. So okay, we got like some FUD, some bad stuff, like from the news side. And some people, like bigger whales started selling, and here we have like bigger news. It led to liquidations in the margin positions in various, like cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, like if maybe you don't have like Bitcoin, but maybe you have Ethereum or Binance coin, like, and those whales who have a lot of money, they were just dumping money in market. And like if you have opened the margin trade, it would be, you would get like margin call if you are really gambling, like without any stop losses or like stuff like that. So a lot of liquidations happened. As you can see, 8 millions in crypto liquidations, CoinDesk article. And yeah, you can try to check it out. Yeah, so you can see a lot of traders had long positions, specifically margin trade long positions. Like they borrow money from exchange and then they increase the risk and reward, potential risk and reward, and then like if something like that happens, they are being wiped out. Yeah. Yeah, imagine 200,000 positions were liquidated in the past 24 hours. It is a lot. And you can see 800 million. Yeah. And again, like when people are seeing stuff like that, Bitcoin drops 10%, maybe you are not like in margin trading, and maybe like you want to get like margin call, but what would happen, you would question, like whether you should keep it or sell it, because in my opinion, it's not like the end yet. There's like more information here about liquidations. Yeah, you can see all of the long positions. Yeah, very sad. But this stuff happens, so you always need to be careful what you're doing with your money. And you can see, yeah, so it shows Bitcoin liquidations each day, shorts and longs. And as you can see, yeah, I'm not sure why they are like having different data, like across different pages, but yeah, a lot of people got burned. Um, yeah, yeah, that stuff happens. Don't worry. If you're holding, I think you can hold still. We will get back, and yeah, we can look at the chart quickly. You can see 1 day, 7-day chart. We were trading sideways, and then yesterday, yeah, Afghan crisis, Kazakhstan crisis hit us hard. And I think I don't have like trend lines or anything like that in the charts, but I assuming that if it hits 40,000, then it will crash down even more probably. Yeah, you can see market dominance dropped so much, and it keeps dropping, like, yeah, and we don't have a trillion within the Bitcoin, and we are losing. We are almost going back, like to 1 trillion marks. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of stuff. XRP. In my position, basically, I saw, like that it kept crashing. Uh, yeah, I was somewhere here, like I thought it's something clearly wrong, like, and I placed stop order for my margin trade. I will cover that in next video, but basically it saved me, like, yeah. On that specific exchange, it went lower. So just before that, I placed, like order, and it closed my position. Um, Without losses, I even took profit like $20. Not that big, but anyways, not like zero, like crash. Yeah, I think don't worry, especially if you're holding XRP. I think it might go down to lower than 70 cents, but we have this lawsuit news coming out soon. It will probably be positive, at least this is what I expect. Not a financial advice, but I will probably be buying more if it drops below 70 cents. And I will reopen my margin trade as well at some point. But yeah, for now I am looking carefully at this coin market cap and thinking what I will do next. So don't worry, everything will be good. We are not like going to bear market from my understanding. Yeah, hold still, and yeah, let's wait till it will pop. See you in the next one.